In the grand game of empires, even kings become pawns. Taginae, 552 AD. Here, on history's chessboard, two masters make their final moves. Narses, the Byzantine general, 70 years old, eyes alight with imperial ambition. As armies assemble, the board is set. But in war's chaos, who truly controls the game? Constantinople, a labyrinth of power. Here, an unlikely piece joins the game. Narses, eunuch, servant, now Justinian's desperate gambit. What forges a mastermind? Silent battles of the mind or the clash of steel? For Narses, every whispered slight became a lesson in strategy. While Totila seeks glory in the vanguard, Narses sees the battlefield as a living puzzle. In his mind's eye, armies flow like water, finding the path of least resistance. As Narses sails west, the tides of war begin to shift. The chessmaster moves his most unexpected piece into play. Taginae, a valley where destinies converge. Totila surveys the land, 1,000 futures unfolding in his mind's eye. Glory or ruin, the weight of a kingdom hangs in the balance. But what forges a king's resolve? A warrior's strength? A dreamer's vision? A leader's mercy? As twilight embraces Taginae, two titans prepare to clash. In the crucible of pre-dawn, two armies awaken, each soldier a pawn in a game larger than empires. On one side, Byzantine precision, on the other, Gothic passion. But in war's chaos, can either truly control the board? As steel kisses stone, the pieces align, each spark a life soon to be extinguished. Narses, the master strategist, suddenly doubts. Can the servant truly outmaneuver the king? Totila, resplendent yet burdened, is he a king or merely a golden pawn? In quiet moments, enemies mirror each other. Both pawns, both human. As the sun rises, so does the curtain on our cosmic game. Who will write the next chapter of history? The Golden King charges, but the board shifts. Narses' formation unfolds like a deadly flower, petals of steel and flesh. Pawns become knights, bishops reveal themselves. The trap is sprung. Totila's charge falters. His golden armor, once a beacon of hope, now attracts Byzantine arrows like moths to a flame. In chess, as in war, a single misstep can topple a king. As Totila falls, does he see the future crumbling, or only the mud rising to meet him? Time fractures. In Totila's mind, 1,000 futures unfold and collapse. The weight of a crown, of a people's hope, bears down. What choice for a king who staked all on a single throw of the dice?
For my people, for our dream.
Totila tears off his golden armor, each piece a fragment of his fading dream. The king becomes a soldier.
Brothers, our story isn't written by gods or emperors, but by us, here, now.
Time snaps back. The charge begins, a final furious gambit against fate itself. Narses, the master player, sees the board anew. Pieces shift, adapt, counter. And in this maelstrom, a king falls, or does he rise? History's mists obscure the truth. Dawn breaks over Taginae, the board is reset, pieces scattered in victory's wake. Time marches on, empires rise, empires fall. The players change, but the game remains. In this grand strategy, are we not all pawns? Goths, Byzantines, nations yet unborn? In the echoes of Taginae, listen closely. Can you hear the future's move? If you crave more epic historical battles, make your move, like, subscribe and comment below to join the clash, and never miss a moment of history's greatest showdowns.